Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. For this episode, our lesson is finding the volume of a column. I'll be showing and explaining how to find the volume of a column. Okay, let's start with prism. Let's find the volume of this prism with a hole. Okay, there are two ways on how to find the volume of this prism with a hole. In the first way, what we need to do is get the volume of this bigger prism minus the volume of this smaller prism. So to find the volume of the bigger prism, 12 times 10, that's going to be 120. Okay, 120, then multiply this one by the height of this prism, which is 12. And this is equal to 1,440. So this is the volume of the bigger prism. Okay, minus the volume of this smaller prism. So 6 times 5, 30 for the base. Multiply this one by the height, which is 12. So 30 times 12, this is equal to 360. So 1,440 minus 360, then this is equal to 1,080. So the volume of this prism with the hole is 1,080 cubic centimeters. Okay, in the second way, what we need to do is, okay, get the area of this base, so 12 times 10, that's 120, minus the area of this base. 6 times 5 is 30. So 120 minus 30, then that's equal to 90. And multiply this one by the height, which is 12. So times 12, so 90 times 12. Then this is also equal to 1,080. So 1,080 cubic centimeters. Let's move on to the second figure. And this is a cylinder. Let's find the volume of this cylinder with a hole. Okay, in finding the volume of this cylinder with a hole, we will use the second way. So, volume of this cylinder is this area, or the area of this bigger circle, minus the area of this bigger circle times the height of this cylinder. Okay, the area of this bigger circle, since the radius is 6 centimeters, so it's gonna be 6 squared, so that's 36 pi. Okay, 36 pi minus the area of this smaller circle. Radius is 3, so 3 squared is 9, so this is 9 pi. So 36 minus 9, that's going to be 27. Then multiply this one by the height of this cylinder, which is 12. So 27 times 12, then this is equal to 324. So 324 pi cubic centimeters. That's the volume of this cylinder with the hole. Okay, let's move on to this figure. What are we going to do to find the volume of a figure with a removed part? So by looking at this figure, originally, this figure looks like this. So this part is the removed part. So if we will remove, then the figure looks like this. Okay, this figure and this figure are the bases of this prism. And the lateral faces are rectangles. So to find the volume of this figure, get first the area of one base. So our base looks like this. So area of this base, then multiply the height of this figure, which is 10 centimeters. So this is times 10. Okay, what will be the area of our base? To get the area easier, cut this one first into simpler shapes. So this length is going to be 7 plus 3, so 10. Okay, what about here? From here to here, so it means this is 4 centimeters. Okay, what about this side? It's given that it's 7. And from here to here, it's going to be 9. So meaning this is 5. So this is 40 and this is 35. So 40 plus 35, that's 75. So 75 times 10, then that means the volume of this prism with the removed part is equal to 750 cubic centimeters. Okay, another figure. Let's find the volume of this figure with a removed part. Okay, where is the part that is removed? So if we're going to draw this one, so this part is the part that is removed. Okay, to find the volume of this figure, our strategy would be find the volume of the whole figure minus the volume of this part that is removed. So volume of this figure. Okay, first find the volume of this whole figure. So the base, this side is 10 centimeters. Okay, what about this side? 8 centimeters. So 10 times 8, it's going to be 80. So 80 times the height of this figure, which is 12. Okay, 80 times 12. So this is going to be 16. So 0, 8. So this is going to be 960. So 960 for the whole figure. Okay, let's subtract, okay, the volume of this removed part. So this is 5 times 2, 10. Times 7 is going to be 70. So minus 70. So 960 minus 70, then this is equal to 890. So the volume of this figure is 890 cubic centimeters.